Good afternoon, students. We are doing chapter 6 of geography, which is manufacturing industries. First of all, I am going to explain what is manufacturing. Production of goods in large quantities, processing from raw material to valuable goods is known as manufacturing. Do you know paper manufactured from wood, sugar manufacturing from sugarcane, iron and steel from iron, aluminium from bauxite. I am telling you the story of Harish. On the occasion of Diwali, he went to market with his parents. They purchased shoes, clothes for him. His mother purchased ardhan lamp, sugar, tea for him. He observed how the shops in the market were flooded with gifts for sale. He wondered how a such quantity of items, large quantity they produced. His father explained, sugar, shoes and clothes, they are manufactured by large industries. Utensils, ardhan lamps, sugar and tea, they manufactured by small industries. Now I am telling you what is the importance of manufacturing. How manufacturing is important to us. The process with which raw material is converted to more valuable products is called manufacturing. Manufacturing provides employment. Large number of employers are employed in industries, skilled or unskilled labor. Industries provide foreign exchange. Foreign exchange, when we exported the surplus items to other countries of the world, we get foreign exchange. Surplus, suppose I ask, give me one pen, and I will ask, have you any pen for you? You will say, yes madam, one pen is with me. One you have given me, and that pen is surplus. Means after fulfilling the demands of the population, if the items are surplus with our country, we exported them. Import and export is called trade. When import is less, export is high, we will get foreign exchange. Next, industries reduce the burden on land or agriculture. How? You will ask me. Because in the rural area, the 15 workers working on a field, but there is requirement of 10 people. 5s are surplus. In this way, the surplus population can easily be engaged in the industries, and in this way, industries reduce the burden of land on agriculture. Daily needs. Agriculture fulfill the daily needs of common people. And the last one, industry led to the utilization of natural resources. So we can see industries plays an important role in the economic growth. Now, contribution of industry to national economy. The share of manufacturing sector in the GDP has been stagnant at 17% over the last 2 decades. Decades carry 10 years. The total contribution of industry to the GDP is 27%, out of which 10% comes from mining, electricity, quarrying and gas. The growth of manufacturing sector has been 7% in the last decades. Since 2003, the growth rate has been 9 to 10% per annum. Per annum means per year. The desired growth rate over next decade is 12%. The National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council has been set up. NMCC. Full form is NMCC is the National Manufacturing Competitiveness Council. Has been set up with the objectives of improving productivity through proper policy interventions by the government and the renewed effort by the industry. Now, the next topic, localization. Industries location. Suppose I am going to set up my own industry. There is no chance. But I am telling you what are the factors for the localization of industry. Number 1, capital. Capital, paisa bunch. Raw material, transport, communication, market, cheap labor, parts and government policies. All these are plays very important role for the localization of industry. Now, third topic, interdependence of agriculture and manufacturing industries. In other words, we can say agriculture and industries are not exclusive to each other. They are interrelated. Agriculture and industry moving hand to hand. First of all, I am telling you contribution of agriculture to industry. Agriculture provide raw material to industries for such as cotton, oilseed, sugarcane. Agriculture provide food to the industrial worker. Agriculture act as a formation of capital which such is utilized in the industry. Now, contribution of industries to agriculture. Industries provide input to agriculture, pesticide, insecticide, HYV, combine, tractors. Industries provide infrastructural facilities to agriculture. Industries absorb surplus workers. Surplus workers, disguised unemployment. Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal, at the time of sowing and harvesting, the laborer are engaged. Remaining year, they have no work. Industry absorb disguised unemployment and seasonal unemployment and skilled and unskilled laborers.